Hey guys, this is Vishakan from Math Haters Club. I hope everyone are doing good. And today I'm going to tell a short story. Millions of years ago, when the earth formed, first of all, it did a magic. Miraculously, something happened. It created a cell, and magically that cell did something. It doubled. And that's how life formed. And those two cells doubled themselves to form other two cells, and it started double and they started doubling themselves, so it created a various species of life. As we are math haters, we'll see the story mathematically. Let me give a number 1 for the first cell. It doubles to 2, 2 doubles to 4, 4 doubles to 8, and so on. When you look at those numbers, you have already seen this, which is the consecutive powers of 2. You have to know something before. Digital sum. Don't worry, this looks quite easy. Digital sum represents adding the digits inside the given number. 1 doesn't have any number, so I'll write 1. 2 as 2, 4 as 4, 8 as 8. 16 is 1 plus 6, which is 7. 32 is 3 plus 2, which is 5. 64 is 6 plus 4, which is 10, and again 1 plus 0, which is 1. 128 is actually 1 plus 2 plus 8, which is 11. Again 1 plus 1 will be 2. When you look at this series, it is like 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. Again it will start with 1, 2. This set of patterns repeats again and again when you go further. I'm just going to write those 6 numbers in a shape of a circle. Have I missed any number here? Yes, which is 3, 6 and 9. These 3 numbers will not be in the series. Okay, let's keep it apart and we'll see what happens. The series has 1, 2, 4, 8, 7 and 5. When you draw the lines for 1, 2, 4, 8, 7 and 5, it will form a butterfly shape. And this is somewhat interesting to know. But wait, there are more to come. I've told you the numbers 3, 6, 9 won't be there. And this 3 and 6 will work in a particular way. Let's go and check it out. When you take the number 3 and if you double that, you'll get the answer as 6. And the digital sum is 6. When you take that 6 and double it, it will give you 12, and 1 plus 2 will be 3. When you take that 12 and double it, you will get 24, and which is 2 plus 4, 6. When you take the 24 and double it, 48, 4 plus 8 is 12, again 1 plus 2 will be 3. The digital sum will be 6363 alone. Okay, what happens for 6? As you know already, 6 doubles to 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. 12 doubles to 24, 2 plus 4 is 6. Again the same pattern moves on. You'll get 3636. Okay, we have seen about 3 and 6. That's fine. Where is number 9? Uh-oh, it got a crown? Oh, this is called the king of numbers. Okay, let us learn something about this. As we people are from India, we should know something. Indians will use this number 9 to represent a gender. They don't know why they are using this number, but they will. There is no relation between this number and those people. We don't have to use it. Let's take the number 9 and double it. You'll get 18, in which 1 plus 8 is 9. When you take this 18 and double it, you'll get 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. When you take 36 and double it, you'll get 72. 7 plus 2 is 9. 72, and if you double it, 144, which is 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is also 9. This is more special when compared to all the numbers in mathematics, as 0 doesn't have a value. And this number is called the king of numbers. If you look at this pattern, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5 forms a butterfly shape, and 3 and 6 will work in a different way, and those two numbers, when they get added, they will give the answer 9. In lot of mythology, 9 is considered as the most powerful number in mathematics. In the history, some people have love on this number. One of the most important person in this list is actually Nikola Tesla. I think most of the people haven't heard about this name in the school time because they won't add this name in any of the syllabus. We'll discuss about this great scientist in the future videos. Nikola Tesla loved the number 9 because he believed that number 9 consists of something magical. Whenever he goes to stay in a room, he will take care that the room number is divisible by 9. And that's how he loved it. And these three numbers, 3, 6, 9, is called the Tesla number. How? Mathematically these numbers are magical. Let's see an example. If you need to find these three squares, 33 square, 66 square and 99 square, you don't need to do a lot of math to calculate it. Instead, look at one number alone. Let's check out with 33 square. What is 3 square? Which is 0, 9. And I'm giving one blank in between. And what is the previous number of 9? 8. And what is the next number of 0? That is 1. And that is what the 33 square is. Wait, lot more to go. 66 square. 6 square is 36. I'm giving a gap. What is the previous number of 6? 5. What is the next number of 3? 4. And the pattern goes on. And if you look at 99 square, when you take 9 alone, 9 square will be 81. I'm giving a gap. What is the previous number of 1? 0. Next number of 8? 9. This is how the Tesla numbers work. And interestingly, when you take these two numbers, 33 square and 99 square, the answers will look like a mirrored one. When you look at this, 9, 8, 0, 1. When you take 33 square and if you reverse it, you'll get 99 square. And you people have a doubt that will it work for other numbers? No, it won't. It works only for the Tesla number, which is 3, 6 and 9. Let us check out with this 3-digit numbers. 333 square. When you take 3 square again, it will be 0, 9. And now this is a 3-digit number. So, what is the previous number of 9? 8. I have to put it twice. What is the next number of 0? 1. I have to put it twice. Let us check out with this number. 6 square is 36. What is the previous number of 6? 5. So put it twice. Next number of 3? 4. Put it twice. 9 square is 81. Previous number of 1 is 0. Put it twice. And next number of 8 is 9. Put it twice. The pattern goes on like this. And if you have a 3-digit number, you should put twice. If you have a 4-digit number, put it thrice. 1 less than what you're taking. I'm going to rearrange the numbers which we got 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5 as 1, 4, 2, 8, 5 and 7. And now I'm changing this as a circular form. It produced a wheel. What is the relation between this number and the circle? Let's see in the next video. Until then, bye! If you like this video, subscribe to the Math Haters Club and click the bell icon.